everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a comparison experiment here. So I have one t-shirt that has been soaked in soda ash and just is still a little bit damp. I just like lightly wrung it out. And then I have this one here that has soaked and dried overnight. So this is completely dry, but this one is a bit damp. And today I'm just gonna do like a cup experiment and put the ice in layers in the cup and see what happens. So let's get into it. Okay, so I basically am just going to start by putting the colour in. Okay, so for this I've decided to go for 3 colours and then to put a layer of ice between each colour. I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but let's just see how it goes. Alright, now's the fun part. We get to hopefully watch the time lapse. Now you can see in the time lapse the shirt on the right that is wet, the dye is going through it a lot faster and easier than the one that's dry on the right side. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see the results. Alright, so this is the front of the t-shirts and this is the back. The one on the left is the one that was completely dry and the one on the right that was kind of damp and wet. You can see that the effect is completely different, where the dry one, it didn't even make it completely through the t-shirt, where the wet one, it just kind of went everywhere, even into the sleeves. I think I like the look of the left side better, so I've already soaked another shirt and it's drying at the moment, so I'm going to try some different colours. I really like the bit around the neck, how it kind of looks like a watercolour, and just a little bit more subtle. So yeah, that is it until we wash these guys and see what the colours are like after. Okay, so here's what our 2 washed t-shirts look like. All I can say is this time I actually rinsed them out by hand first until the water pretty much went clear. Up until now I've just been throwing them in the washing machine and putting them on like the wash cycle for 2 or 3 times until the water is like clear, but this time I decided to do it by hand. And what I've noticed is that the colours actually changed a lot more when I did it by hand. Maybe because like they were actually properly rinsed off before, so all the excess dye wasn't just floating in the machine. But I mean, up until now, any of the shirts that I did that had any white, they would kind of have this light kind of tinge of the colour that they were, and I checked on the Dharma website and they said that if you were getting that problem you probably hadn't rinsed them out properly beforehand. So this time I thought I'm going to try it. As you can see, the black is pretty much non-existent, but I actually really like how it turned out. It is meant to actually be a grey. The colour's called Thundercloud. It kind of looks like this beautiful like rainbow kind of thing. With this shirt here, in my previous shirts when I used the turquoise it was a lot darker. This time it's actually kind of faded to like a sky blue kind of colour, which I don't hate, but yeah, it was just interesting rinsing them first. Obviously I wasn't rinsing them properly last time, so yeah, that does make quite a difference in the colours. Right now we're having a look at the back. Again, I'm just so happy with how the one on the left turned out. It's probably my favourite shirt I've done so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.